there is word used decent, D-E-S-C-E-N-T, decent. No discrimination on the basis of the sex, caste, creed, place of birth and descent. This decent word is coming or creating a hurdle in appointment under dying in harness. Decent means what? By way of life, we are in profession, then my son is coming, no problem. Not because of inheritance he is coming, rather because he has completed Illa, he has right to go for practice. But if it was written that the son of advocate only son of advocate will practice, then certainly it will be hit by 16 word decent. In other words, if I am in a service, my son will come into, thereafter my grandson will come. Means on the basis of inheritance, if you are entering in a public employment, then it is hit by Article 60. This is the main hurdle in our, because if you are giving a person benefit in appointment, because his father expired, that is her mother expired, or some other reasons are coming, then certainly you are replacing a person who was in service and giving benefit to his wife, vice versa his spouse, son, daughter, etc. This question was considered by the apex court. And if you are required to distinguish it, then how do you distinguish? Then Article 14 will come into the picture. Article 14 says equality before law. This is the first principle. Followed by equal protection of law. Everybody is equal in the eye of law. This is the first part, equality before law. But everybody has to be protected by law. This is the second part, which gives you a reason to protect the person who are lying on some other footings. Like, I am coming, I have legs, I am not physically handicapped, I came by the steps, no problem, you are all here. But some of my friend who is physically handicapped, then certainly he will come by wheelchair. Even he can go in our high court and practice in wheelchair while sitting on the chair itself. Our system that I will speak, I will put my arguments by standing on the dais. But this exception has been given for the person who is physically handicapped. Now, for reading this equal protection, you may say, when we read the equality before laws, कानून में सब बराबर हैं, लेकिन कानून की दृष्टि में सब बराबर रहेंगे, ये इक्वल प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लॉ से होता है। मैंने कानून की दृष्टि में सबको हम सुरक्षित रखना है, तो सबको सुरक्षित कैसे रख पाएंगे? तो डिस्पैरिटी होगी, तो उसको जो डिस्पैरिटी है, जहां भिन्नता है, जैसे ढेर सारी बेनिफिट्स आती हैं आप लोगों को, जैसे रिजर्वेशन जो प्रोटेक्शन दिया जाता है, रिजर्वेशन इक्वल प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लॉ के पार्ट पे प्रोटेक्शन, इक्वलिटी पे तो ध्वस्त हो जाएगा। इसीलिए इक्वल प्रोटेक्शन का जो पार्ट आता है, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द सर्टेन एक्सेप्शंस गिवन टू द इक्वलिटी। चाहे रिजर्वेशन ले लीजिए, चाहे ह्यूमन प्रोटेक्शंस ले लीजिए, सिमिलर सिचुएशंस आर आल्सो देयर, फॉर दिस पार्ट इज प्रोटेक्टेड of providing appointment in harness under Article 14 under the column of equal protection of law. So this, we can say, this question is coming that whether it is as a matter of right. If I can say by the judgments that it may not be as a matter of right, but it power is this right under the statutes. And if under the statutes this right is given, then I am fully protected and I can invoke Article 2 to 6 for our rights. Given under the statutes, it may be not because of the fundamental rights. Because I have been protected by Article 14. Second part of Article 14, this is the one thing which I want to put before you, because it is necessary. Now, certain queries my friend Mr. Atul has placed. In harness, just see, harness in appointment is not only like giving pension, gratuity, Workmen Compensation Act, Pension Acts, these are also the part of the harness. After retirement, not only death you may say, if a person is otherwise, these are beneficiary benefits which were given to the persons and in the service, either in the workman's or otherwise. They are coming under the heading of the harness. But we are here concentrating our case with respect to the appointment in the harness. Then we have to consider, I am giving certain examples, if necessary I will talk to you. Like earlier, even till date, subject to the central government, my advocates are here, till date there was two bills where 2011 bill and 2014 bill were placed before the parliament. Probably it has not been cleared yet. And only that bill had gone through today itself. This is one of the finest book. I am not sure the big book, finest points has been given. If it was this enactment came, then certainly several confusions which are coming in our mind will lose their significance, but it has yet not been cleared. And now in the central government, only by way of government orders, appointments are being made, and in the harness appointment in the central services, after death, even the person got retirement after 55 years age, before the 55. If he says that, yes, I don't want to continue at the age of 55 because of their physical or reasons, then the person can be given appointments. Similar, some other variations is railway, in the postal departments and others. But in our state of UP, in government service, government servant who was there, 1974 rule, which my friend has just pointed out, is there. Similarly, in some other field also, like education, in all provisions, there is either the act or the rule or government order is there for the making appointments. But if a person died, in order to meet, just see, if we are here itself, like feel it, अगर हम लोग यहाँ हो और 15 दिन मुकदमा ना आए, तो जरा सोचिए शाम को आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है. Think it. If we are practicing here and 15 days there is no case with us, even the senior counsel or the persons, we have now several cases, then in the night probably we cannot sleep. See the family which depends upon a father or brother or mother, he or she is no more. Then how that family will survive when their issue seek death? Certainly before 60 or before retirement. And unexpected it goes after 50-55 years. But if comes under the after 40 to 55, then certainly that family where the issues of the children are studying at 11th, 12th, BA, MA or doctor, engineers. I personally know few cases which we won after several years, almost 5-6 years, their family is ruined. Therefore, this was immediate step taken as a welfare state. India is welfare state, not like there is a certain exception in America and Britain, with our country being the welfare state. We have to do everything for the welfare of the person. For that, dying in harness provisions were put into effect. Some problems, and the appointment must be given immediately under the provision. But one thing remember, that if there is no provision, either in the rule or in the government order or under the act, you cannot claim appointment under the harness. You cannot claim. So one thing you must know, all my brothers, that there must be certain provision or rule or act. Why it was done immediate? There is a certain problems are coming. I would like to inform you that in 1990 and 92, when we were just beginning in our practice, then there was a Justice R.B. Mehrotra Sahab and others, and there was also certain judgment of the Supreme Court that a person may be given appointments as par with their educational qualification. And you may see certain exception in the state government also, that they are given in the class 2 rank post, though it is not under the act. None of the act a person can get this extraordinary power utilized by the state government, like in there was in Kunda case में जिसमें ऑर्डर हुआ था डिप्टी एसपी का. कई केसेस में ऐसे आए. अभी भी रिसेंट जो आपका डेथ हुई थी लखनऊ में, क्लास 2 पोस्ट दी गई है, बट दिस इज द एक्सेप्शनल प्रेरोगेटिव ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. वी कैन नॉट claim is as matter of right. But we had filed several petitions and class 4th employee were given at the class 3 post. Maximum appointment can be given on the class 4th and class 3. Then judgments were given. Our High Court also in the Sushma Goswami and others, I will place, there is a series there. Class 4th were given to the class 3 post. By the order, at least I had gone through and won about 50 cases at that time, that the class 4th employees were given appointment as a class 4th were given as a class 3. Then matter went to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court decided no. Once you opted one, then you cannot be given to other post. If rules permit that you can be given the class 3 and you have a qualification, then you can be given appointment in the class 3, particularly in education matter I am saying, provided post is there. But if you have, so one point, if you have accepted one post, then under the harness on the basis of the qualification, you cannot claim any higher post. A. So be cautious in the appointment, that if post is there in the institution, advise your clients, they may rush up immediately and move writ petitions, etc., whatever remedy is there for the higher post. But once you join, you cannot claim as per settled law of this High Court as well as the Apex Court. This is one thing. Secondly, the problems which are coming, that my friend has also put this query and given certain examples in the judgment itself, that in limitation is there, that it is for the purposes of urgent need, urgent problem facing with the family, therefore you have to come immediately. And if you are not coming immediately, or coming after 3 or 4 or 5, 6 years, then you cannot claim it.